Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This applies to iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro or other similar devices, even older ones as well. If your display has gone totally gray, meaning that the display somehow has turned totally black and white, and as you can see everything is black and white. So if you look through the menus, they're all black and white. If you open your apps, your photos, everything on the device basically turns black and white. All right, so this, of course, you might be thinking your display is broken. It's not. So somebody might have accidentally, especially kids, have turned on a feature in your phone that has transformed the screen to black and white. And if that is the case with you, this is how to fix it. All right, so let's get straight into the fix. So first, you're going to go into settings. All right, so you should be in the main part of your settings. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go to the option that's here, and you're going to look for accessibility, which is that first option there. You're going to hit on accessibility. Now from here, guys, you're going to go down. And once you go down right here, you're going to search for display and text size. Click on that. You're going to scroll down. Once you're here, look for color filters. And in most cases, it should be on. Go ahead and tap. Then, of course, you notice it's selected grayscale. All right, so you're going to turn off color filters. So it's turn off color filters. And right away, you notice the color returns. You can go all the way back. There you go. The color should return to your screen, and your screen should be looking flawless again. And of course, everything should be working, and the black and white should be gone. All right, so what does that mean, or what was happening was that a color filter was on, and if a color filter was on, what would happen is that it causes problems because it turns the entire screen black and white. All right, so if you did not turn it on, maybe somebody was playing around with their phone and resulting in that. All right, so do hope this was useful. And as always, guys, it's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and see you in the next one. Bye.